Good morning dear students. Today we will be doing question exercise 8.2, question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7. Our dietitian suggested Ankita that she should take 1 liter 300 ml of juice every day. So there is a dietitian. Dietitian is a person who suggests you to what you can eat according to the days or according to the week. Okay, so it actually the work of dietitian is to take care of your health. Okay, so here she has given some juice to her that she has told her to do 1 liter 300 ml she has to drink every day in like for 5 days. Ankita drinks the suggested quantity of juice for the first 2 days. So means that on first and second day she is drinking 1 liter and 300 ml, whereas on the third day and fourth day she is drinking 1 liter of juice. Okay, so third and fourth day she is drinking 1 liter of juice every day, and on the fifth day she drinks 600 ml of juice only. So how much juice does she consume in 5 days? That we have to tell. Okay, so here I have written the first statement. I have divided this question in 5 days. So firstly is quantity of juice consumed on first day, that is 1 liter 300 ml. Then quantity of juice consumed on second day is 1 liter 300 ml. Then quantity of juice consumed on third day is 1 liter. Quantity of juice consumed on fourth day is 1 liter. Quantity of juice consumed on fifth day is 600 ml. So now total quantity of juice consumed in all 5 days. We have to add all these things. So we will write like this, liter and ml like this. Ml down, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 we will write here and 1 we will write here. We will not write 12 here. Okay, please do remember this thing. So liter, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 0, that is 5 liters 200 ml. So 5 liter 200 ml juice is consumed in 5 days. So total juice consumed is 5 liter 200 ml. Now next one is the capacity of 25 bottles of juice is 81 liter 250 ml. Find the capacity of bottle. So each bottle we have to find. When the value of many things is given and you have to find the value of one thing, you have to divide. Please remember this thing. So here 25 bottle capacity is given and we have to find the capacity of one bottle, so we will divide. Okay, so firstly what we will do is capacity of 25 bottle is given, so we will write 81 liter 250 ml. Now number of bottles is, total bottle is 25. Capacity of one bottle is 81 liter 250 ml divided by 25. So how you will change this into decimals? Firstly we have to change this ml into liters. So 250 ml is equals to 250 upon 1000 liters. 0 will be cut with 0. This 0 will be taken by 5. This 0 will be taken by 2 and this 1 will become point. So 0.25. 81 liter 250 ml we have to add. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2 point and 1 and 8. So 81.25 liters is the answer. Now we will divide it by 25 here. So 81 divided by 25. So 81 doesn't come in the table of 25. So we will write 75. 75 come in the table of 85 at 3. We will write minus 11 minus 5 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. Point we will write first. Then we will take carry. Sorry, we will bring this 2 down. 2 down. So 62. 62 again doesn't come in the table of 25. So we will write 50 here. 50 comes in the table of 25 at 2. Then we will bring this 5 down. 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. That 25 comes in the table of this, sorry, here we have done here 125. 125. So here we will write this 5. So 125 comes, 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 we will bring down. So 125 come in the table of 5 at 5. So 125 minus 125 is equal to 0. So answer is 3.25. So capacity of one bottle is 3.25 liter or 3 liters 25 ml. That is also the capacity. Now 1 liter of water dash dash is equals to how much is the question. Here 1 liter of water is poured into 2 glasses. So 1 liter of water, total water we are having, that is 1 liter into 2 glasses having a capacity of 230 ml each. Means 2 glasses is having the capacity of 230 ml and then 1 glass having the capacity of 300 ml. Does the bottle have any water left in it? So if yes, how much? Okay, so firstly we will write capacity, 1 liter of water is equals to 1000 ml first of all. So capacity of one glass is 230 ml. Then capacity of second glass is also, what you will do, as the capacity is same, so you will multiply it with 2. 2 multiplied by 0, 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 4, so 460 ml is the capacity of two glasses. Now capacity of another glass is 300 ml. So total water poured in all three glasses is, so we have to add this thing, so 460 plus 300, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, so 760 ml is of water is there in three glasses. Now water left in the bottle, 1000 ml minus 760. So 0 minus 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 0, this one is 0 here. So 240 ml of will be left in the bottle. So by this we have finished our classwork. Question number 10 and 12, 11 I will be giving you homework. A bus traveled equal distance every day. So bus is traveling equal distance every day, covered 42 kilometers 672 meters in 6 days. Again here the value of 6 days is given. Okay, so total distance covered in 6 days 42 kilometers 672. So what distance did the bus cover in a day? So here 1 day value we have to find. So I have told you, when the value of many things is given and you have to find the value of one thing, you have to divide. Firstly you have to change this 672 in kilometers, so it will be 42.622 kilometers divided by 6, and then you will be able to find the answer. If Ayush drinks 550 ml of juice every day, how many liters of juice does he drinks in a week? So firstly 550, as we have to give the answer in liters, please remember this thing. Firstly change this milliliters into liters, and then we have to find that drinks in a week. 1 day juice consumption is given, you have to find for 7 days, then you will multiply. 1 day value is given, you have to find the value of many things, you will multiply, and then you will get the answer. One more homework, 10 and 11 will remain homework for today, and this homework also worksheet, this worksheet will also be your homework that you can complete till Friday. Okay, complete worksheet you can complete till Friday, and next chapter we will do it, chapter number 13 tomorrow. Okay everyone, so I have given you PA2 syllabus, please look at it, and if there is any problem you can contact me. Thank you.